So I'm at the Monster Mile, Dover Motorsports, where they have the NASCAR races. This was an impromptu part of our shoot today. And this is Miles, and he is the monster or mascot of this racetrack. Beautiful day here in Dover, Delaware, and I'm feeling no damn pain today. Okay, so my last video, I got rid of this stuff. And then you turn around and I have a beard, a burgeoning beard back again. So what happened, guys, is I shaved off the beard and I said I was all excited about shaving again. And then I got really busy, like so busy that I really haven't had time to do any videos. But I just got a call and I was reminded that I have to go out tonight and I've got to look presentable. It's rare for me, but I have to do it. And I just realized, and I thought about shaving, I just realized that I am late on an unboxing and a review of a product that was sent to me by some kind folks. Guys, if you have a product that you want me to review or test or just enjoy, reach out to me. themediamart@hotmail.com or on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram @themediamart. Let me know, brah. So anyway, in this beautiful small black box is what I think is the world's smallest electric shaver. EVO. The EVO shaver. So I did a quick unboxing. And here it is. Tiny enough to go in any travel bag. Can even go in your back pocket or your coat pocket. So if you take the cap off, it's one rotary style head, flexible, and it's USB charged or powered. And very, very simple. Now, with the box, there's not a lot going on in the box, guys. In fact, I don't see any instructions, but I do see the USB charging cable, a fancy pouch, and a little brush to help you clean the device. Now, maybe the instructions didn't get packed in this, or maybe this is a very green company that has all the instructions online. I will check it out. So without further ado, like my boy Dan Hand says, let's get started. So again, with no instructions, guys, I kind of figured it out as plug and play. So I plugged in the USB cord, goes in the back of the unit, like so, and I plugged it in and charged it for a while. I do have to go out tonight and I really need a BBS shave. So if the EVO doesn't work out, I have a Gillette Pro Glide Power. This is the Olympic version or the Olympic limited edition. That's gonna step up and make it super baby bottom smooth. So if I'm chasing BBS and this device doesn't give it to me, we're gonna pull that out. So you press and hold the power button and it turns on. Press and hold again, and it powers down. All right, it's pretty simple, pretty intuitive. Here we go. And let's check it out. Again, about 7 days. I'm going to use the rotary technique of just swirling. And I'm not pressing, guys. Okay. Now, as you can see, I've been doing that for quite a long time, and it really hasn't taken off any hair. I mean, it's trimmed it down a bit. If I open up the head, you can see there are trimmings in there, but it's not taking that hair off. What it does do, if you have a beard and you want that Don Johnson look, you might be able to keep it manicured at this length. I need the baby's bottom smooth shave today. I'll clean it out. And I'll give it one more whirl. See, these are the blades. If you can see that. So I'm assuming you can pull this out and run it under water and let it dry. And let's go for round 2. So guys, if you're looking to shave a beard, EVO is not going to do it for you guys. Now, if you have very fine hair or a day's growth and you're on the go and you just want to neaten up, this might be the ticket, and I'm going to put it through its paces in that regard. But when you pull out a one blade, and bam, you're done. I mean, the size difference. And I didn't intend for this to be a one blade comparison video. I was basically just looking to put the EVO through its initial paces. And for this, it just doesn't pass the test. Now, it doesn't mean it's not a good product, as I said, for just neatening up if you're out on the go and you have like that 5 o'clock shadow you want to tame. I will put it through its paces for that. In fact, tomorrow I'll come back and I'll see if this can clean up a 5 o'clock shadow. But for right now, I can't say that the EVO is average guy approved. I just can't say it. Just keeping it real. So I'll put the EVO away for now, and I'll give you that aforementioned, that promised BBS shave with one of my favorites, guys. Gillette Fusion Pro Glide. This is the gold medal edition, and it's got the power. So let's get cracking. I'm gonna go with some Gillette Pure today. And then work that into my whiskers. It's all coming off, guys. Ah, yeah. Okay, first pass with the grain of the hair. Hair on my face grows down, so I will be shaving down, guys. Very, very nice. Oh, yeah. Long stubble on a blade can be tricky. The key is to really let the device do the work. You don't want to be overdoing it, guys. My hair on the neck, actually on these two sides, it grows that way. So shaving with the grain, I'd be shaving that way. Now you can make the pure foam up more if you'd like it. I'll put it on a little thicker this time. I'm going to do a cross grain cut now, so I'm going to take the blade and just shave lightly across my face. Again, take your time, light pressure. Let the razor do what it wants to do, guys. Usually rotary blades in the average guy don't really work all that much. Oh, that's nice though. Take your time around the Adam's apple, guys, on this cross grain. This is usually the pass that you can it's usually the pass I can get into trouble. A little bit more warm water. Wow, it feels good, guys. And just one more pass going against the grain. Now you don't have to do 3 passes. Lots of guys have been telling me, hey, I don't do 3 passes. It takes too long. Do whatever you do, boo. Do you, boo. Do what works. 3 passes is really more of a technique that wet shavers deploy or employ. With a single blade, want to make sure you get good coverage for that really fine shave. With the cartridge that has multiple blades, yeah, you don't have to. from a skin sensitivity and irritation standpoint, it may not be the right move. But guys, I have a shaving channel, so the more shaves, right? You appreciate that. All right, hair on my face grows down. I'm gonna shave up. We'll put the power on. Oh yeah. And this is my get right pass. This is just addressing any of those hairs that might be growing out of step. You don't really want to be doing too much with the against grain pass. Light pressure. Long strokes with these cartridges. And take your time. And there you have it, guys. Nice, quick, easy, baby's bottom, smooth shave. If I wanted to, there's a precision trimmer in the back. Do the nooks and crannies. I could do a little trim over here. I wanted to trim it up. That's it for the shave. I'll pat the skin dry. Get ready for my engagement tonight. Oh, nice. The final touch, product I've fallen in love with, guys. You know what it is. Harry's post-shave mist with botanical extracts. Just very nice. You mist it on. You smell as beautiful as a flower. Beautiful as a flower. And you look good too. All right. So this little EVO travel shaver, the jury is still out, guys. Well, if you got a beard or if you got anything longer than a day's worth of stubble, I'm not sure this is going to be working for you. But I will come back with a day or two's worth of growth and we'll see how it performs then. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow. But in the meantime, you know what to do, guys. Keep pushing play.